Ivar Jacobson is a Swedish computer scientist and software engineer, known as major contributor to UML, object-tree, rational unified process, aspect-oriented software development and essence. Biography. Ivar Jacobson was born in Ystad, Sweden on the 2nd of September 1939. He received his Master of Electrical Engineering degree at Chalmers Institute of Technology in Gothenburg in 1962 and a Ph.D. at the Royal Institute of Technology in Stockholm in 1985 on a thesis on language constructs for large real-time systems. After university, Jacobson worked at Ericsson until April 1987, when he started Objective Systems. A majority stake of the company was acquired by Ericsson in 1991, and the company was renamed Object-tree. Jacobson developed the software method OOSE published 1992, which matured to become the software process Object-tree. In October 1995, Ericsson divested Object-tree to Rational Software, and Jacobson started working with Grady Booch and James Rumbaugh, known collectively as the Three Amigos. Rational was bought by IBM in 2003 and Jacobson decided to quit, but he stayed on until May 2004 as an executive technical consultant. In mid-2003, Jacobson formed Ivar Jacobson International, which operates across 3 continents with offices in the UK, the US, Sweden, Switzerland, China, and Singapore. Work. Ericsson. In 1967 at Ericsson, Jacobson proposed the use of software components in the new generation of software-controlled telephone switches Ericsson was developing. In doing this, he invented sequence diagrams, and developed collaboration diagrams. He also used state transmission diagrams to describe the message flows between components. Jacobson saw a need for blueprints for software development. He was one of the original developers of the specification and design language. In 1975, SDL became a standard in the telecoms industry. At Object-tree, he also invented use cases as a way to specify functional software requirements. Rational Software. At Rational, Jacobson and his friends, Grady Booch and James Rumbaugh, designed the UML, and his Object-tree process evolved to become the Rational Unified Process under the leadership of Philippe Cruchton. Essential Unified Process. In November 2005, Jacobson announced the Essential Unified Process, or ESUP for short. It was a fresh new start, integrating successful practices sourced from the 3 leading process camps: the Unified Process Camp, the Agile Software Development Camp, and the Process Improvement Camp. Each one of them contributed different capabilities: structure, agility, and process improvement. Ivar has described ESUP as a super light and agile. RUP and IJA have integrated ESUP into Microsoft Visual Studio Team System and Eclipse. S-Work. Standing on the experience of ESUP, Ivar and his team, in particular Ian Spence and Pan Wei-eng, developed S-Work starting in 2006. S-Work is a framework for working with methods. It is based on a kernel of universal elements always prevalent in software development endeavors. On top of the kernel, some 15 practices has been defined. A team can create their own method by composing practices. SEMAT. In November 2009, Jacobson, Bertrand Meyer and Richard Soley started an initiative called SEMAT to seek to develop a rigorous, theoretically sound basis for software engineering practice, and its wide adoption by industry and academia. SEMAT has been inspired by the work at IJI, but it is a fresh new start. It has resulted in Essence, which at the time of this writing has been recommended as an OMG standard. Publications. Jacobson has published several books and articles. A selection. 1992. Object-oriented software engineering. A use case-driven approach with Marcus Christensen, Patrick Johnson and Gunnar Overgaard. Addison Wesley, 1992, ISBN 0-201-54435-0. 1994. The Object Advantage. Business Process Reengineering with Object Technology, with M. Erickson and A. Jacobson. Addison Wesley, ISBN 0-201-42289-1. 1997. Software Reuse, Architecture, Process, and Organization for Business Success, with Martin Griss and Patrick Johnson. Addison Wesley, 1997, ISBN 0-201-92476-5. 1999. The Unified Software Development Process, with Grady Booch and James Rumbar. Addison Wesley Professional, 1999, ISBN 0-201-57169-2. 2004. The Unified Modeling Language Reference Manual, with Grady Booch and James Rumbar. Addison Wesley Professional, 2004, ISBN 0-321-24562-8. 2004. Aspect-Oriented Software Development with Use Cases, with Pan Wei Eng. Addison Wesley, ISBN 0-321-26888-1. 2005. The Unified Modeling Language User Guide, with Grady Booch and James Rumbar. Addison Wesley Professional, 2005, ISBN 0-321-26797-4. 2013. The Essence of Software Engineering, Applying the SEMAT Kernel, with Pan Wei Eng, Paul M. Seaman, Ian Spence and Svante Lidman. Addison Wesley, 2013, ISBN